Here we will provide an overview of the IPReports version 2 Instrument Washer Disinfector Automatic Control Test and Thermometric Test templates, including customisation to your specific machine. Select the automatic control test and import the test data. IPReports version 2 checks the stages in your test data and will import each one automatically, along with stage durations and rolling cycle times into the template. Conductivity data can be added or removed if not required for your report. Measured values are taken from the verification of calibration stage line within your test data. Recorded temperatures can then be added as required. Once indicated and recorded measurements have been added, the maximum difference will be calculated automatically for you. Select the thermometric test and import the test data. This automatically provides the minimum and maximum temperatures, maximum fluctuation and hold time for each probe, providing a huge saving on the time to create your report. Missing probes are removed from the list entirely as the table resizes itself automatically, ensuring your report layout is clean and free from unused sections. Minimum and maximum A0 values are calculated automatically, but can be removed from the template if they are not required for your report. Make sure that you watch our other IPReports version 2 demonstrations showing how the software can benefit your process validation reporting.